Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Encinitas local and long distance movers near me. No matter the reason you're moving across the country or more than 100 miles away, you need the right help. A long distance moving company will help ensure you get to your new location on time and efficiently. There are many services you need, including loading, transportation, and unloading. Along with the basic long-distance moving services, we also offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you need a California moving company for your local move, you need to know the benefits. The cost might not seem as easy to justify if you don't understand the benefits. Our team will take care of all the heavy lifting for you. We also save you plenty of time, and you can trust that your things will be fully protected when you hire us. Hiring 3 movers will ensure you get the moving day you desire. Our team will make sure moving happens faster. When you hire us, a move that would take you a weekend to complete, we get done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Encinitas moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.